The easy solution is for me to call a national emergency. I could do that very quickly. I have the absolute right to do it, but I'm not going to do it so fast because this is something Congress should do, and we're waiting for the Democrats to vote. They should come back and vote.
Paul, as the senator said, that doesn't work. This is nothing more than a lockout!
The president has created an artificial crisis in order to appease the most conservative, right-wing Republican voters in the United States of America. But the price is being paid for by 800,000 families across our country who will go without the paycheck they need.